This video aims to take you through a brief technical understanding of the best practices and products as defined in various international standards. Standards. The International Electrotechnical Commission prepares and publishes international standards for all electrical, electronic, and related technologies and is the leading international organization in its field. IEC 62305, Protection Against Lightning, is the apex level document that informs the standards for lightning protection around the world, accesses risk assessment software, and our lightning protection and earthing products are designed to work with systems designed as per IEC 62305. UL and CSA are North American certification bodies that are followed widely in the US, Canada, and other parts of the world. UL 467, Grounding and Bonding Equipment, UL 96A, Installation Requirement, and C22 for Lightning Protection System are few important standards in this field. Lightning Protection System Design. The first step in designing a lightning protection system is risk assessment. Axis has used the guidelines of IEC 62305 Part 2 to design a risk assessment software that allows you to assess the risks and determine the class of lightning protection system (LPS) for your structure. This software uses parameters unique to your structure to help you determine the best and most efficient protection system. Based on this, you can now design the external and internal protection systems for your building. The external protection system would include an air termination, down conductor, and an earth termination system. For internal protection, one would use surge protection devices and equipotential bonding. For more information, please contact us or watch our other videos.